The House in Kōbe North by FujiwaraMuro Architects rethinks the traditional family home through a continuous, open layout. Completed in Kōbe, Japan in 2018, the 171-square-meter residence was designed to support a family lifestyle while accommodating a resident who uses an electric wheelchair. Instead of dividing the house into enclosed rooms, the architects created an interconnected living environment where every space feels visually and emotionally connected. Walking through the home, there are no conventional hallways or sharply defined rooms. Instead, a series of platforms, niches, and subtle changes in floor level naturally separate different functions while preserving the openness of the interior. These gentle transitions allow each space to serve multiple purposes, creating a home that feels both spacious and intimate. The material palette further strengthens this concept. Warm timber surfaces are balanced with exposed concrete, while large openings bring natural light deep into the interior. Carefully positioned openings and varying ceiling heights maintain visual connections across the house, making accessibility and family interaction feel like a natural part of the architecture. What makes House in Kōbe North particularly inspiring is how it uses architecture to create flexibility without relying on walls. Through thoughtful circulation, changing floor levels, and connected living spaces, the home adapts to everyday life while remaining comfortable and practical. It offers a valuable design reference for anyone looking beyond the conventional open-plan house.